Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to start next point, that is similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles. When can we say that two triangles are similar? If two triangles are given, suppose one triangle is ABC and second triangle is PQR. These are two triangles. There are two very important conditions of similarity. Now these are two triangles. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, these are two triangles, and if in these two triangles corresponding angles are congruent, if first condition is corresponding angles should be congruent. Now which are corresponding angles? Angle A is congruent angle P. Now angle A is here, angle P is here. Both these angles should be congruent. Second corresponding B, angle B is congruent with angle. Now B is here, corresponding is Q. Angle B should be congruent with Q. And third, angle C. Angle C should be congruent with angle R. First condition is that all three corresponding angles of one triangle should be congruent with the corresponding angles of the other triangle. Now here these are corresponding angles. Now we have seen first condition of angles. First condition of angles is that all three corresponding angles of one triangle should be congruent with corresponding angles of the other. Now what is second condition? Second condition is about their sides. Corresponding sides of one triangle. Now we are corresponding, which are corresponding sides of one triangle? AB, BC, AC, and corresponding of other PQ, QR and PR. Second condition is that corresponding sides of triangle should be in proportion. Should be in proportion, it means ratios of corresponding sides should be equal. Now how to write ratio? AB upon what is corresponding of AB? PQ is equal to second side pair BC. BC upon corresponding of BC QR, and third AC. AC upon PR. These are corresponding sides. Two conditions are if all three corresponding angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding angles of other. Second condition about their sides. If all corresponding sides, means three corresponding sides of one triangle are in proportion with the other. Proportion means their ratios are equal. If their ratios are equal, then we can say triangles are similar, and we can write here triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. Now you remember two conditions. First, corresponding angles should be congruent of both the triangles, and second condition, corresponding sides should be in proportion. Corresponding sides should be in proportion means their ratios should be equal, and then two triangles are similar. Now let's start practice set 3.5. First example is, if triangle XYZ is similar triangle element, triangles are already similar, write the corresponding angles of two triangles and also write the ratio of corresponding sides. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, now it is given triangle XYZ similar with triangle LMN, and this is given. We know the property, if two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are congruent. Now which are corresponding angles? First here X. Angle X congruent with angle L. Corresponding of X is L, comma. Angle Y congruent angle. What is corresponding of Y? M. And third also angle Z congruent angle N. These are corresponding angles. Now here suppose we have to give, these are C, A, S, T. This is the short form of corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles, CAST. These are angles, corresponding angles. Now also write the ratio of corresponding sides also. Angles are congruent but sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion means ratios are equal. Now ratio of first pair XY, corresponding of XY is LM is equal to YZ, second pair corresponding of YZ is MN is equal to third XZ, corresponding of XZ is LN, and here reason CSST. Long form of this is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Angles are congruent, corresponding sides are in proportion. Let's see example number 2. In triangle XYZ, XY 4, YZ 6, XZ 5. All three sides of XYZ are given. XYZ is similar to PQR and PQ is equal to 8. Then find the lengths of remaining sides of triangle PQR. Now let's start with the given condition. Triangle XYZ is similar with triangle PQR. It is given. We know the property about sides. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Now corresponding sides are in proportion means their ratios are equal. Now write ratios. XY upon corresponding of XY is PQ is equal to YZ second QR, YZ QR, and XZ third pair XZ upon PR. Here support reason corresponding sides of similar triangles, CSST. Now put here values, those are given. Which values we have here in this example? Put all these values here. XY is 4 upon, now PQ is also given here 8 is equal to YZ is 6 upon QR we don't know is equal to XZ 5 upon PR we have to find. Now see here QR and PR, these two values we don't know and we have to find these two values. Now then 4 upon 8, this ratio is equal to all. Means 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR and 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR also. Then by taking pair wise, first this pair and second this pair, we can find QR and PR. Now let's separate with 4 upon 8. Now let's continue. Separate 4 upon 8 with this fraction and this. Therefore 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR. Already equal. And 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR also. 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR. And now by cross multiplying we can find answer. 4 multiplied by QR is equal to 6 multiplied by 8. Transfer here. QR is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 upon 4. QR is equal to, now reduction by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 6 2s are 12. Therefore we got here QR is equal to 12. Same way this side also. 4 multiplied by PR is equal to 5 multiplied by 8. PR is equal to 5 multiplied by 8 divided by 4. Therefore PR is equal to, now reduction by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 5 2s are 10. In this way we got remaining sides of triangle PQR. Example number 3. Draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles. Label them. Show their corresponding angles by same sign. Show the lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. Again figures we have to draw. Rough figure. Now here first triangle I take here and second triangle this one. Here I give PQR, this is triangle PQR and triangle ABC. You can change if you want. Now here we have to show first triangles. Those are congruent. Therefore I denote by identical mark. P is congruent with A, like this, by a circle. Now here for Q I do cross. Q is congruent with B, identical mark, and here R I show by such a double line. These are angles, congruent angles. Angle P congruent with angle A, angle Q congruent angle B, angle C congruent angle R congruent angle C by identical mark. Now we have to write their numbers. We have to write lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. Numbers in proportion means all ratios should be equal. If we find the ratios, then all ratios should be equal. Now this is larger figure, that's why if I take here 10 and I want to take half of here, then 5. Now these are in proportion, half. 10 and 5, these are half. For every side you do like this. If you want to take right here 8, then half will be here. Half of 8, 4. If you want to write here 6, then half of 6 will be 3. Automatically sides of this triangle and of ABC, PQ and ABC are in proportion. Now this is the sketch. That is these are two similar triangles. If you can write, if you want triangle PQR, similar triangle ABC.